bend the knee for me.
Painful, that knee.
Knee's painful.
Yeah, it's all the way down, isn't it? From the hip to the knee.
Pull the knee towards you. Pull hard.
That way.
Push out. Push out. Like that. Left ear, like back ear to the shoulder. Push out and flex. Push out and flex. Alright, push out. That's made it stronger.
Yeah.
Soft shoulders. Head back towards everything's so tight. Breathe in and breathe out. Drop the legs forward, lift it. And just take the weight, just never take the weight off it. Alright. See the strings come back into it. Push up with the foot. So it's way stronger. So you can see that this is coming from the nerve in the spine.